If you're looking into Documind AI and wondering whether it actually lives up to the hype, these are the 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. This is one of the most exciting just released AI tools I've seen, and by the end of this, you'll know exactly if it's worth your time. And yes, you can try Documind AI completely free using the first link below, but there's one specific feature near the end of this video that changes everything about how you'll use it, so stick around for that. First off, Documind AI isn't your typical chatbot or document reader. It's designed to let you talk to your documents, PDFs, Word files, spreadsheets, instantly turning them into interactive knowledge bases. Instead of wasting time searching, you just ask questions, and it answers like a real assistant. That's a game changer if you handle research, legal docs, or business reports. What sets Documind apart from similar tools is speed and accuracy. Most AI readers struggle with large files or complex formatting. Documind handles 1,000 plus pages without freezing or skipping important context. It actually understands what it's reading. It also supports multiple document uploads, meaning you can ask questions across 10, 20, or even 50 documents at once. That's incredibly powerful for agencies, analysts, or consultants working with layered information. Another big plus is the memory function. Documind AI remembers follow-up questions, which makes conversations feel more natural and intelligent. It's closer to having a real research assistant than just a smart PDF viewer. The UI is clean and simple. You don't need to be tech-savvy to use it. Just drag, drop, and chat. No fluff, no extra steps. And for those who care about security, Documind uses encrypted storage with the option to auto-delete files after your session. Now here's where things get really interesting. It doesn't just extract info, it gives insight. Ask for summaries, trends, or action points, and it delivers answers that actually help decision-making, not just pull text. That's why digital marketers, lawyers, financial pros, people who work with dense information are already integrating it into their daily workflows. And while it's still new, the team behind Documind AI is shipping updates fast, meaning it's only getting more powerful from here. So, if you've been searching for a tool that can give you fast, intelligent answers from any document, Documind AI might just be the best new AI software you try this year. Remember, you can test it totally free with the link in the description. And if you're curious about other AI tools I recommend, after trying literally thousands, those are also in the description, all with free trials. Try them out and see what works best for your workflow.